education this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. So the next learning style that we're going to talk about is personalized learning. This is very student-centric, where you take one individual student or child and figure out like where they're at and what their level is within learning. And then from there, you kind of help facilitate it to make sure they're not getting bored or losing interest in whatever they are working on. If it's too easy, it will again be something that they'll be done in 2 seconds and then wanting some more stuff to do, or they'll go off topic and off subject matter and go do their own thing. But it's very individualized student, whereas the other methodology was more of a group method, and then we branched out from there. So the teacher in this instance is going to help keep that kid or child on a path to continued learning and not get stalled out. And from there, it's up to your kid to then continue mastering the next steps within their educational progression. And that's your educational tip of the day.